Hey, welcome back to my channel. New Sceptre X32 TV remote control compatible. Sceptre X32 TV remote compatible with Sceptre TV X32GB Komodo, X32BB Fold, X32BB Naga, X320BB HD E195BB HD, X320BB ZOX 400BB FHD, X372BB FHD, E240W CFHD, X240BB FHD, X270PB FHD, X19GB X23BB X23GB, X425BB X328BB X325 BB E240 E243 E245 TVX 240 PCFHD X425 BB FHD 3X328 BB FHD X325 BB FHD UX325 BB FHD U195 BD SHD U165 BD HD U165 BD HD 240 FHD 243 E243 BD FHD 245 BD FHD 245 BB FHD 240 E240 BC FHD U195 BB SHD and Sceptre E Series LED HD TV. Sceptre X32 TV remote compatible with Sceptre TV X32GB Komodo, X32BB Fold, X32BB Naga, X320BB HD E195BB HD, X320BB ZOX 400BB FHD, X372BB FHD, E240W CFHD, X240BB FHD, X270PB FHD, X19GB X23BB X23GB, X425BB X328BB X325BB E240 E243 E245 TVX 240 PCFHD, X425BB FHD 3X328BB FHD. X325BB FHD UX325BB FHD U195 BD SHD U165 BD HD U165 BD HD 240 FHD 243 E243 BD FHD 245 BD FHD 245 BB FHD 240 E240 BC FHD U195 BB SHD and Sceptre E Series LED HD TV. Pre-programmed, no need any setup or programming. Putting batteries in and works. Batteries and user manual are not included. 30 days hassle-free return, USA seller, quick shipping from CA or Amazon warehouse by FBA. Genuine factory remote control, sold by Sourcing Remote exclusively. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.